how to edit Patreon profile settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your browser and go to your Patreon. Now, if you want to change your profile settings of your creator page, then go to the member option at the bottom and then go to creator. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to edit page, and then from here you can change the details, you can change your page name, put in your profile photo or change it. You can change the header options. You can choose whether to use profile photo or upload a cover photo. You can even choose the theme color. And then you can even write about yourself, put in social media links, and control what data appears on your page by membership and earnings. Now, you can also choose to change the layout. So, these are some of the layout options. You can choose what kind of layout you want. You can tap on it and look at the preview as well. And if you don't want it, you can tap on the three dots and delete it. Similarly, you can go to the public drop down and then you can set it to paid member or free member and then just hit publish. So that's how you edit your profile settings on Patreon. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.